Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. Whether you're duplicating project trackers, client databases, or content calendars, knowing how to copy tables quickly will save you tons of time when building out your workspace. First, navigate to the Notion workspace where your table is located. You can do this by opening either the Notion app or the web version, then selecting your workspace from the sidebar. Once you're in the right workspace, open the page that contains the table you want to copy. Now here's the key step. Hover your mouse on the left side of the table until you see a 6 dots icon appear. This icon is your gateway to managing the entire table block. Click on it to open the options menu for the table. From this menu, select Duplicate. This will create a complete copy of your entire table, including all rows, columns, and data. When you duplicate, you'll have the option to copy the table with content or without content. This flexibility is useful depending on whether you want to preserve the data or just reuse the structure. The duplicated table will appear on the same page, directly below the original. If you want to keep things organized, rename the copied table by clicking on its title and typing a new name. This helps you distinguish between the original and the copy, especially if you're working with multiple versions. The best part is that you can now adjust or edit the copied table's content or structure independently without affecting the original table at all. There's also an alternative method if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Simply select the table, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to copy it. To paste the duplicated table, click inside the page content area where you want it to appear and press Ctrl+V or CMD+V. If the duplication created a new page, you can also drag that duplicated page to wherever you need it in your workspace. And that's it. You now have a fully functional copy of your Notion table, ready to customize however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.